Yeah, I just wanna be on a tour bus, sitting in the back with a cold one. We all got dreams, know you got some. Yeah, we all got dreams, know you got some. I remember sitting in the backseat, tapping my feet to the beat that was blasting. Had this dream and it seemed like a passion. I'ma make it happen, I'ma take action, yeah. Ain't nobody gonna tell me different, nah. Since day one I've been winning, yeah. Focused on myself from the beginning, didn't hear nobody else's opinions, yeah. I strapped up young, did my research. Man, I worked so hard till my feet hurt. Man, I worked so hard writing each word, cause I wanna go far, I'm a dreamer. You got one life, only one life, yeah. So do it just right, do it just right, yeah. Keep your head high, keep your head high, yeah. You gotta keep your head high. Don't let it go by, let it go by, yeah. Don't you let it go by. Yeah. When everybody thinking that you won't make it, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just faking, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just chasing, forget them, yeah. When everybody out here is just hating, forget them. I want my own tour bus, so I could be on tour, bro, with everyone who loves us, been with us on the come up. I won't ever give up, I will not forgive us. So we gon' make it big, bro, and we gon' make it quick, yeah. I just wanna live it up, I just wanna get it, bro. I could never get enough, no, I could never get enough. I'm ready for the come up, I'm ready for the love, yeah. I will never give up, no, I will never give up. Yeah, and all I know, yeah, is where to go, yeah. Let's to the top, yeah. And I won't stop, yeah. If you know me, you won't see me slowing. I'll be growing and owning the whole thing. I'll be closing and toasting, you know me. Never give up the motto, I'm coaching, yeah. You gotta stay focused, you know this, and show them exactly what you're made of. Keep going, you're chosen to be someone better in motion, not coasting. And you know it, don't blow it, yeah. Live with no regrets and no debts to the life, cause you only get the one time. Better live it right, better live your life, better live it right, better live your life. Only one life, yeah. So do it just right, yeah. Keep your head high, keep your head high, yeah. Don't let it go by, yeah. Yeah. When everybody thinking that you won't make it, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just faking, forget them, yeah. When everybody's thinking that you're just chasing, forget them, yeah. When everybody out here is just hating, forget them. I want my own tour bus, so I could be on tour, bro, with everyone who loves us, been with us on the come up. I won't ever give up, I will not forgive us. So we gon' make it big, bro, and we gon' make it quick, yeah. I just wanna live it up, I just wanna get it, bro. I could never get enough, no, I could never get enough. I'm ready for the come up, I'm ready for the love, yeah. I will never give up, no, I will never give up.
Sometimes it appears that we're reaching a period when our senses and our minds will no longer respond to moderate stimulation.
Trapped in a nightmare, in my mind everything that I might fear, and I fight to get by, get my mind clear. Everything's picking sides and I'm right here. I'm running from things that I've done in my past, hoping to become someone that could last. Get out of my way, I'm on the attack. Got something to say and I'm not holding back. Don't be a little bitch in my way, I'll say it to your face. I'd say it to myself, then I'll put you in your place. In this world is my prey, I kill without a trace. Give a fuck what you say, cause they'll do my way. Make a buck from the pain, not enough, I'm insane. Wanna leave a stain on this world on your brain. You won't ever be the same, grab the wheel, grab the reins. Gotta talk to yourself, scare away all the pain. Who are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head. mental health. How about you go help out your fucking self? Take control of your life, don't need no one else. It's about time that we all get help from ourselves, like a fucking shelf. Stack the chairs up and find a way to do it all by yourself. We're always deferring to somebody else. The key is to show everybody, don't tell. My God, are we all to blame? We should feel ashamed. It drives me insane. It feels like a game. We all lose and blame someone else cause we feel like they rigged the game. But no, ain't nobody ever gonna stop you. Put your mind to it, nobody will drop you. All the way to the top, never stop you. Got one life to live, so see it right through.
Are you inside? I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb. Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle. To the top, here I go, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop it, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's how I know that I'm unstoppable.